One video is about to alter the course of history in a world where people live and breathe the roar of engines and the search for the best motor oil. Brace yourself for the most exciting, interesting, and fun journey ever undertaken in the search for the top 5 synthetic motor oils of 2023. Hey there gearheads and engine aficionados! Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we are diving deep into the world of car maintenance. But fear not, this is no ordinary oil change talk. We've got something exciting, witty, and seriously informative in store for you. Today, we've done all the heavy lifting for you. We've scoured the virtual aisles, tested the fluids, and narrowed down the choices to present you with the creme de la creme of synthetic motor oils. Now, before you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, you won't want to miss what's coming. Let's break it down. We've got the best budget option for penny pinchers, the top pick for diesel engines, the greenest choice for Mother Earth lovers, the ultimate synthetic oil for older cars, and the holy grail, the best overall option that has even earned the NASCAR seal of approval. So, whether you're a seasoned gearhead, a weekend warrior, or just a curious car owner looking to give your ride some tender loving care, this video is your one-stop destination for all things synthetic motor oils. Buckle up, my frugal friends and engine enthusiasts, because today, we're about to embark on a journey that will rev up your engines, enlighten your mind, and ensure your car's heart beats stronger than ever before. Let's dive into the captivating world of motor oils and discover the top 5 best synthetic motor oils for 2023. Are you ready? Let's roll! Best budget option: Castrol GTX Magnatech Full Synthetic Motor Oil. The eternal quest for the perfect oil that won't break the bank. Fear not, fellow penny pinchers, for the Castrol GTX Magnatech is here to save the day. Picture this: you've got a tight budget, but you still want your engine to perform at its best. Well, this oil is the ultimate budget-friendly warrior, delivering high performance without emptying your pockets. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does affordable mean compromising on quality? Not at all. Castrol proudly boasts that this oil offers not just better, but 6 times better protection than industry standards. That's like having a superhero guardian for your engine, ensuring it stays in top-notch condition no matter the road ahead. But wait, there's more. This night doesn't play favorites with engines. It's compatible with various types, ensuring that no matter what car you drive, it'll have your back. And let's not forget about sludge protection. This oil clings to your engine parts like glue, reducing wear and tear even during those annoying stop-and-go drives. It's like having a bodyguard for your engine, protecting it throughout the entirety of your driving cycle. Now, I won't lie to you, this night may have a minor flaw. Some users have mentioned that it can be a tad thick at lower temperatures. But hey, every hero has a quirk, right? So, if you're on a budget but still want high-performance armor for your engine, Castrol GTX Magnatech is the oil for you. Best for diesel engines: Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Engine Oil. Calling all diesel devotees. If you've got a diesel engine humming under your hood, the Shell Rotella T6 is the knight in shining armor that you've been waiting for. This oil isn't just another pretty face. It's got the numbers to back up its claim to fame. Picture this: you're at the gas station, filling up your tank, and you glance at your wallet. Well, get ready to smile, because this night has the power to increase your fuel economy by a whopping 1.5 times compared to other oils. Yes, you heard that right. Your engine will thank you for choosing this champion of efficiency. But fuel economy is just the tip of the iceberg. The Shell Rotella T6 comes fully equipped to protect against the vile forces of soot, dirt, and debris. It's like giving your engine a full-body armor suit, shielding it from harmful elements that could cause serious damage. And let's not forget about wear protection and engine performance. This night is a true hero in these realms, showing significant improvements compared to previous generations of diesel engine oils. So, whether you're cruising down the highway or trekking off-road adventures, the Shell Rotella T6 is your diesel engine's best ally. Now, every knight may have a chink in their armor, and in this case, some users have mentioned minor concerns about debris in the oil and leaky bottles. But fear not, these are just occasional blips on the radar of an otherwise reliable and powerful hero. So, if you've got a diesel engine that deserves the best, look no further than the Shell Rotella T6. Alright my fellow motor oil connoisseurs, it's time for a pit stop. Before we dive into the next thrilling chapter of our quest for the best synthetic motor oils, let's take a moment to check in. So, rev up your engines and get ready to answer this question. If your car had its own signature scent, what would it be? Would it be the aroma of victory on the racetrack, the sweet scent of coastal breeze, or perhaps the fragrance of adventure on an open road? Share your creative answers in the comments below, and let's see which signature scent takes the checkered flag. And don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying this exciting journey. And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss a single pit stop on our motor oil adventure. Now, back to the action. Best green option: Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Ecological warriors, rejoice! Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is the green champion of the motor oil realm, and it's derived not from crude oil but from natural gas. That's right, this oil is like Mother Nature's favorite gift to your car's engine. But don't let the green exterior fool you, this oil packs a serious punch. Pennzoil boldly claims that it not only protects horsepower but also boosts fuel economy. So, you can zoom down the highway with the satisfaction of knowing you're doing your part to save the environment and your wallet. And if you're driving a high-performance vehicle or towing heavy loads, fear not, for this night is equipped to handle the toughest challenges. It's like having a guardian angel protect your engine's performance, no matter how demanding the conditions. But wait, there's more. The Pennzoil Ultra Platinum also has a special talent for keeping your engine clean. It's like a superhero janitor, ensuring that your engine's pistons stay pristine and sludge-free, maximizing performance and longevity. Now, as with any night, there is a trade-off for all this greatness. The Pennzoil Ultra Platinum does come with a slightly higher price compared to other options. But hey, protecting the planet and your engine's performance comes at a small cost, right? So, if you're all about green power and top-notch engine performance, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is the oil for you. Best for older cars: Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. Old cars have such personality and style. They're like family to you now because you've been through so much together over the years. However, as with anything, vintage beauties require special attention. And that's where the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend comes in to save the day. Introducing the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend, specially crafted for vehicles that have logged over 75,000 miles. It's like a magical potion that works wonders for engines, with a few extra miles on their odometer. With its Max Life technology, this oil is like a rejuvenating elixir for your engine, protecting it against friction, wear, heat, and pesky deposits that can hamper performance. But that's not all. This night is also equipped with conditioners that can work their magic on seals, preventing leaks and fixing existing ones. It's like having a seasoned engineer work on your engine's every nook and cranny. Now, I must be honest with you, dear vintage car owners. This potion requires more frequent changes compared to full synthetic oils. But trust us, the results are worth it, and your beloved ride will thank you for the extra care. And while every night may have a few flaws, the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend has very minor complaints about leaky bottles. But don't worry, these are rare occurrences in the grand scheme of its remarkable performance. So, if you've got an older car that deserves a little extra love, the Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend is the night that will keep your vintage beauty running smoothly and with pride. Best overall option: Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for is here. The crowning glory of the synthetic oil realm, the Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Prepare to be dazzled by its unparalleled performance and its prestigious NASCAR seal of approval. This night isn't just a ruler by title. It earns its accolades with its long-lasting protection for your engine. Mobil 1 boldly claims that its formula can protect critical engine parts for an entire year, or up to 20,000 miles. It's like having a personal guardian watching over your ride, ensuring its longevity and peak performance. But it doesn't stop there. This Knight is equipped with additives that prevent sludge and breakdowns, ensuring that your engine stays as pristine as the day it rolled off the assembly line. It's like having a wizard cast spells to keep your engine in top-notch shape. And let's not forget about compatibility. The Mobile One Extended Performance plays nice with various engines, from high-performance beasts to powerful diesels. It's like a chameleon oil that adapts to your car's every need, no matter the make or model. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Every Knight has its naysayers, and in this case, there have been rare mentions of oil burning too quickly. But rest assured, these instances are like unicorns in the motor oil kingdom, rarely spotted and easily addressed. So, if you're seeking the ultimate champion of synthetic motor oils, look no further than the Mobile One Extended Performance. It's the oil that will have your engine roaring with satisfaction, and you'll never want to go back to anything else. And there you have it, my fellow gearheads and engine enthusiasts. We've unveiled the top 5 best synthetic motor oils for 2023. And what an adventure it's been! From budget-friendly Knights to eco-warrior champions and powerful allies for older cars. We've covered it all. But this is just the beginning of our journey together. If you want to stay on top of the latest automotive tips, tricks, and reviews, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange family. We've got more exciting content coming your way that'll have your engines revving with excitement. So, don't miss out on the fun, and remember to turn on those notifications so you'll be the first to know when we hit the road on our next thrilling adventure. Thanks for riding along with us. And until next time, keep those engines roaring and happy driving.